Hi, I'm Guy. This is the Guy or Cook Report. And speaking of the cooking, if this was a recipe, it's about how to use motivational memes. Remember the other day I talked about how to find your free encouragement meme? And so, of course, the common denominator in there is what do I do with it after I've got it? I can cheer myself up. That'd be great. Feel better about what you're doing and so forth. But there's also four other things, and I've got the link in the show notes. If you go to the guyercookreport.podbean.com, there's a link there on how to use motivational memes. I think you're going to like what you see there. And so I want to also thank the people that support this podcast, as well as you, the listener, for taking time out of your day for this quick minute. And so that it is a quick minute, I'm going to say those magic words. It's a wrap.